Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to create this wipe right and fade out effects for your text in a video on CapCut. So first, you just need to write your text. In this case, I'm using the captions, and after that, just click on the text. And first, to create the wipe right, you need to go to the animation, and under the in category, find and select the wipe right animation. Okay, this one, click on that, and then after that, to add a fade out effect, click on out and select fade out, and choose or adjust the durations. And make sure that you check this circle apply to auto captions to apply it to all of your text. Click on the check icon and you are done, and this will be the result. So that's all from me. I hope you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.